Everyone loves to grow strawberries, so do I. But I had to buy new plants every year because of harsh weather conditions. Sometimes I didn't get desired variety and also price was too high. So I decided to make my own plants from runners. In this video, I am going to share some tricks that will get you a lot of new strawberry plants without costing anything. Making new plants out of runners is very easy if we know when and how to do it. Strawberry produces runners when temperature stays approximately between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. I live in subtropical region and we usually get really harsh summer. To protect my strawberry mother plants, I keep them under 50% shade net. August and September are the 2 months when strawberry plants produces lot of runners in our location. If your climate behaves same like ours, providing a shade net will be super helpful for strawberries to produce a lot of runners. Once strawberry gets ideal weather for reproduction, it forms suckers. It's like an umbilical cord that works as a bond between the mother plant and the offspring. They share water and the nutrients through this cord. If we leave this runner as it is, it will mature and produce some fruits as well. But it will also put a lot of stress upon the mother plant. So whenever we see a runner, we are going to plant it as soon as possible. For root formation, runners don't need a lot of space. Just a 60 ml coffee cup will work just fine. 1 cup holds enough rooting media for one runner. It's my personal favorite as it is small and can be placed anywhere, anytime. I usually fill the cups with moist coco peat as a rooting media. Other than coco peat, we can use any soil or soilless potting mix. To plant a runner head, place it in the middle of a cup, make sure leaves are straight up and push a wire piece or anything that will hold the head in place. Until roots fully develops, try to maintain moisture. Soon we will get a transplantable new plant. After 3 to 4 weeks, separate it from the mother plant by cutting the connecting cord. The new plant is looking pretty healthy, has dark green foliage and roots nicely formed too. This is ready to be planted in the final pot where it will stay until next season. This year I am growing strawberries in traditional way and in hydroponics as well. Plants are already growing well in both Grape method and in coco peat. It's kind of an experiment I am running here on my rooftop garden. So far both my soil grown strawberries and hydroponic strawberries are growing almost similarly. I would like to share more infos of this little experiment in future videos. Don't forget to press the thumbs up button guys, share feedbacks down in the comments and subscribe Gardening Escape for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, stay fit and happy gardening.